Hey, it's Tuesday, 9/22. Yesterday in class, we were working on taking an assessment or getting ready to take the assessment. So yesterday was technically the assessment day for the Monday-Wednesday group. Today is the assessment day for the Tuesday-Thursday group. That means if you are at home and have not taken the assessment, you need to be getting ready for that so that you can take it on Wednesday. If you've already taken it, if you took it yesterday like you were supposed to, then there's a new assignment posted on Schoology to get you ready for the new stuff that is going to be coming on Wednesday. If you are in class today, that means that there will be a video to watch so that you can also do the stuff today, and you'll also be jumping right into the test. That'll be the first thing that you do today. There will be a brand new video posted. You'll be watching the same video as the folks at home so that we can have a nice work day at home and whatever it is you need to be completing, hopefully the test, you'll be getting on. So that's the plan for today, Tuesday, 9/22. See you in class.